Hello students, I am Reema. So now let's start the exercise 1.2 of class 9 maths chapter 1 number systems. Those who have not studied the number systems chapter, please go through the video which I have put earlier. I'll be posting the link in the description. So let's start the exercise 1.2. The first question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. The first statement is, every irrational number is a real number. Is it true or false? Every irrational number is a real number. Yes, it's true, right? Because real number means what? A collection of rational numbers and irrational number. So the answer is true. Because real number is a collection of rational and irrational numbers. So the second statement is, every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. So the question is, every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. Is it true or false? It is false, right? Because you know what root 2. It's not defined, right? Root 2. Now we move on to our second statement. Every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. Is it true or false? In a number line, every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. The statement is false. Why? Because in the number line we have negative numbers also. The root of negative numbers is, you didn't study, right? It's actually a complex number. So every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number, is a false statement. It is false. Why? You know root 4 is equal to 2. This can be represented in a number line. Okay, root 4, the point 2 can be represented on a number line, where 4 is a natural number. You know root 2 is 1.4142. Root 2 can be represented on a number line, where 2 is a natural number. And what about root minus 5? Root minus 5, we didn't study this, no? So root minus 5, this can also be represented. But what? Minus 5 is not a natural number, right? So this is a complex number. Minus 5 is not a natural number. So the statement is false. Our next question is, are the square roots of all the positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of a square root of a number that is a rational number. So the first question is what? Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? You know that square root of 2 is irrational. Similarly, square root of 2, 3 and square root of 5 and all are irrational. What about square root of 4? You know square root of 4 is what? 2. And 2 can be expressed of the form 2 by 1. P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So, and this is what? This is rational. So, are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? No. No square roots of all positive integers are not irrational. Example, root of 4, root of 25, root of 9. Okay.